This video focuses on replacing the arms on a Think version 2 chair. First, tip the chair onto its right side on a soft furniture pad. Press the seat slide handle under the front of the seat and pull the seat forward to its deepest setting. Locate the seat out stop feature, which is a black tab on the right side of the seat slide rail. Insert a screwdriver below the stop out feature and push it up towards the seat. Simultaneously press the seat slide handle and pull the seat forward off the rails. Set the chair on its base again and remove the arm attachment screws and nuts with a T30 Torx bit. Gently hit the arm with a mallet and pull the arm assembly out of its slot. Insert the new arms, or the armhole covers if converting to armless, and replace the screws if needed. Reinstall the seat by simply sliding it back on all the way. You are now ready to use your Think V2 chair.